Indian troops continue their massive cordon and search operations in Rajouri and Poonch districts of Jammu region. The troops continued their search operations in several areas of Rajouri district on the 7th day today. The troops had launched these searches after the killing of 4 persons, all of them Hindus, in an attack by unidentified gunmen in Dangri area. 2 residential houses and a hotel were damaged in 2 incidents of fire in Baramulla and Ganderbal districts today. Officials said that 2 residential houses were damaged in a blaze in Old Town area of Baramulla. Meanwhile, a hotel was damaged in a fire incident in Kullan area of Ganderbal district. New Delhi-controlled state investigation agency has attached more properties belonging to Jamaat-e-Islami at different locations in South Kashmir. An official told the media that the SIA attached the properties of Jamaat-e-Islami in Islamabad district and in main town Kulgam. Properties include a double-storied house along with canals of land and agricultural land. All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Farida Behenji, paying rich tributes to noted freedom activist Sajjad Ahmed Kinnu on the eve of his 27th martyrdom anniversary, has said the sacrifices of the Kashmiri martyrs will not go waste. Indian occupation forces had martyred Sajjad Kinnu of Islamabad town in 1996. Farida Behenji said the Kashmiri martyrs have sacrificed their lives for the freedom of Kashmir from the illegal and oppressive occupation of India. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the criminal silence adopted by the international community and the UN on the grim situation in the occupied Kashmir has encouraged India to continue its atrocities on the Kashmiris. The APHC spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that India was victimizing the Kashmiris for challenging its illegal occupation of their homeland. President of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Barrister Sultan Mahmood Chaudhry, has said that the United Nations is duty-bound to implement its roadmap on the Kashmir dispute to get it resolved peacefully in accordance with the UN resolutions. Addressing a function in Islamabad, the IIOJK president said the Indian troops were involved in war crimes in the occupied Kashmir. Over 3 dozen troops of Indian Border Security Force were injured in a road accident in the Indian state of Nagaland. A bus carrying 41 personnel of 62 BSF battalion deployed for election duty met with an accident along road near Dogyang River. The bus reportedly fell down a deep gorge and was stuck between the trees, resulting in the injuries to the soldiers who were admitted to hospital.